Yo, I bet. Guys, today is week 2 of the $100 to $1,000 challenge. If you watched my last video, I made a prediction on what was going to happen, and look at this, boom. So, like I said, price broke through our zone right here. Now, the craziest thing is we didn't get a retest. It was a breakthrough. So, today is a little but we're still bullish overall, so price still went bullish. Like I said, bro, like holding gold is like the best thing right now. So let me get rid of all of these so I don't confuse y'all. I could have swore I deleted this last night, but whatever. All right, so this is what's going to happen now, right? So as you can see, price just made structure on the hourly time frame right here. So this is our area of structure. The next area of structure is all the way down here. So either A, price is going to respect this structure and bounce up, or B, it's going to come and retest this, or C, it's going to come all the way down here. So one of those three things are going to happen. Refresh this because I don't know what's going on. All right, cool. So I just placed an entry right here. So I was waiting for price to break that zone, and it did. And it came back and retested right here, and then I got in for an entry. Hold on, give me 1 second so I can show y'all my entry to show you it's not capped. I gotta make this video kind of quick because I didn't charge my laptop last night. I'm like, dang, rookie move. All right, give me 1 second while I show you guys the live trade. Sorry about that, y'all. Yeah, next video I'm gonna be a little bit more structured. I had went for a run this morning, so that is why. That is why. All right, boom, quick time. Bam. All right, guys. Now you should be able to see my screen. That's weird. That's hella far weird. What the hell is going on? Sorry, y'all. Having a little technical difficulties. Give me 1 second. It's mad weird. Oh, I see why. I see what's going on. Hmm. It's not letting me show you guys my. What the hell is going on? Hold on, y'all. Give me 1 second. Oh my God. I know what I gotta do. Okay, here we go. Bro, why does it keep doing that? All right, so all right, it's cool. I tried to show you guys my screen. But I'm gonna have to show it to you like this. It's cool, you know. So let's bring this down like this. See if I can make this bigger. Okay, cool. All right, so boom, as you can see, I'm in a live trade right now. You already know the deal. I don't know why I took 2 trades. But let me go ahead and close one of them. So yeah, and I need to set the stop take profit 36.16. So we got to go 36 37.66. 37.66.06. All right, and then I could close this one out. Well, actually, I'll keep that one there. All right, so hopefully you guys can see all this. Today is September 22nd. This is again a live account. There's no cap. Yeah, we're doing good so far. Now let me go back to the charts. And like I said, guys, oh, I might want to get out of this. Psych. I'm not getting out of nothing. All right, so like I said, guys, it's looking real good as far as you know, being bullish today. There's literally no reason for the market to go down. There's no news that just came out. There's no news coming out today. So if price goes down, that's just market manipulation. It's just the bigger guys are seeing how many buyers are in the market, and they probably just want to like liquidate and get all that money. Even if that happens, I know for a fact that, you know, I will be ready at the next point, which again is down here, right here, or it's going to be all the way down here. So remember me saying this, right? At 3,669, we could basically say 3,670. Matter of fact, I'll put a little alert right here so we'll know. So let me go. Oh man, 3,670. I'll put buy alert, and then I will change the color to green. All right, then let me make a little alert. All right, so boom, and then I'll put another alert right here. We will call this one 3,700. So 3,700. Put another buy alert. All right. And then let me kind of just clean up these charts so it's not too confusing, so I don't get like overwhelmed and start thinking too much. All right, go down to the smaller time frame. All right, cool. So what we need to do is break above, and I don't know if you guys watched my previous video when I was going over things, but equal highs is a super indication that price may drop down, right? If you see this, boom, you see price go down, then you see another candle come here, and then you see it go down as well. That's what's called a double top. So always watch out for that. But we are going to put this right here, mark this up. I'm giving you guys free game, by the way, man. Hope y'all paying attention. Hope you guys are paying attention. And then we're gonna put 3726. So yeah, I'll put 3726. Matter of fact, I'll put 3725. I want to know 3725. So this one would be price nearing resistance. And this is how you elevate your trading skills, guys. You don't want to be looking at the charts all day. You don't want to be glued to this shit like a zombie. Like, you want nice, logical trades that make sense. You get what I'm saying? So now another thing that's happening. This is resistance as well. And what I like about trading is, watch this. I could take this a step further, and I could go down to the minute time frame, and I could see like the inner workings of what I really need to break through. So what I need to break through first is this. So these are the mini zones I have to break through. I got to break through that one. I got to break through this one. And then it's cake from there. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, price is reversing at that one. But oh, I forgot to put my stop loss. I'm tripping. So long position. All right, so we gotta go 50. 1, 2, 3. We'll go 2, 3. Make sure I have to stretch this out a little bit. Hey, yo, pause. All right, boom. So this is my stop loss right here. Yo, low key, for my snipers out there, this is how you do sniper entry trades, right? So I want you to pay attention to everything I just did, right? I got hella alerts. I got hella alerts. This is what I did step by step. So this gray box is a 5-minute support area, right? What can happen is price can respect this, it can break this, either or, right? It can either respect this and reverse back up, or it can break this and go down. So obviously it respected it, right? Where is the next area of resistance? That's what you have to ask yourself right here. Now, what you want to do is you want to come down to a smaller time frame, like the 1 minute, if you're using a 5-minute, and you want to wait for a break in structure, right? So as you can see, I'm gonna break this down step by step. Price has structure. Low, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, whatever. Price breaks through this, right? It breaks structure. Not only does it break structure, but it broke structure bouncing off a 5-minute support. That's what solidifies the trade and makes it stronger, right? Now, then it came back and retest. Retest is not always going to be perfect. It's not going to just hit the line and then bounce off sometimes. Sometimes it's going to pull back or it's going to go lower, right? All that is fine. We're prepared for all of that. Then if you want to snipe, if you want to scalp, I mean, where can you take this trade logically, right? Logically, you can take this trade right here. This is the next area of resistance. Now, you ask yourself, how do I know when to hold a trade? Well, if you're in a buyer's market, hold the trade. You get what I'm saying? But hold it, get in at the right areas. The reason I got into this trade is because on the hourly time frame, let's go to the hourly. This is our area of structure, right? If I lose this trade, it's fine because I followed my rules. I got in at area of structure. Price broke structure once it hit this point, right? And now all I got to do is be patient. Because again, like I said, possibility 1, we're going to put, get rid of this. Possibility 1 is BNR. So, oh no, I'm sorry. This is breakthrough and correction. Hold on, let me make this a little smaller. And correction. Right? Possibility number 2. Oh, this is a buy alert. Sorry, I can't get rid of that. Possibility number 2. Breakthrough. And retest of a zone it just broke out of. So it just broke these black lines are the zone it just broke out of. So it could retest somewhere around this area, right? It could hit here, this line, and just bounce off. But just in case it doesn't, we always want to have our backup plan, which is right here, right? Boom. If price breaks this level right here, it's going to come down here. And if it breaks this level, I can go ahead and confidently say if it breaks this, I'm pretty sure it's going to go all the way down here, right? And then this is possibility number 3. This is a breakthrough and correction. Boom, right? Oops. I'm eating into my time. Breakthrough and correction. This is what price does all the time. A breakthrough and retest, breakthrough and correction, breakthrough and retest, or breakthrough and correction. Let me give you an example of what that looks like. So, all right. So, boom. This was the high, right? You gotta follow me. I know I'm putting hella lines and shit, but you just gotta stay with me. This is the high. Price broke through, made a higher high. It could come here and retest and shoot up like it did, or it could break through and correct and come down here to around these levels where it was like consolidating. And it did a little bit of both. So it broke through and retested, but then this area right here of rejection was so strong that it forced price to come down and go lower to catch more buyers, right? It's like it's a lot of buyers sitting in the market right now. Let's take some of these buyers out. There's too many buyers in the market. We're making it too easy for them. Let's go ahead and knock some of them out. It's a lot of money sitting in the market right now. And that's why price does what it does, right? If you ever see price just shooting up without really like pulling back or anything like that, that means there's a lot of sellers in the market and people are being dumb and going against the trend. So like this example right here, right? A lot of people probably thought price was going to come hit this line and go down, but look what price did. It just shot up. So you got to be careful. But today will be a very interesting day. Will the people take over or will the banks take over? If the people get to take over today, we're going to be super, super, super bullish. But guys, that's it. I just want to make this quick video. I hope y'all got something out of this. If you haven't already done so, please make sure to like and subscribe and follow my channel. We are trying to grow this thing. My goal is to get at least 1,000 subs before the end of this year. If you like this content, like I said, please just like and leave a comment. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Deuces.